Question is, in our surf, no tactile, today we have a blockbuster laptop. Question. There's no branding on the bare box, but here you can figure out which laptop it is. The laptop is this Dell Inspiron 743 2-in-1 laptop. This laptop is good for those who want to work in Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator or graphic design, because styles are found here, because the full copy of the book talks. So first, look at the build. Let's look at the performance. Performance here is Intel's i3 13 Gen. Elgons are found here, total 6 cores, another thread 6 cores from 2 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, and 10 MB of cache memory is the latest processor. And this is a U-series processor. It's a processor of the 50 watt. Its purpose is power efficiency. 8GB LPDDR5, 4800 MHz RAM is provided, but unfortunately you won't be able to upgrade the RAM because they don't allow upgrades. There is also a 16GB variant available. You will be able to purchase extra mount pager, and the most important thing here is 1 TB of PCI and VMM.com. See the speed given in Zen 4 HD. The read speed is and light speed does damage and doesn't get Intel YouTube graphics in with 3.8 GB save in GPU. Let's look at its actual graphical performance in the gaming section. Now brother, this is 7000 series, so here is given the absolute latest Wi-Fi 6E along with Bluetooth version 5.0. And the target audience of this laptop is office holder or student. So here MS Office Home and Student version 2021 lifetime license is given. All laptops come with a 15-month subscription of McAfee antivirus and Windows 11 operating system. So friends, you will go to see the build and design. This laptop comes with a metallic lid and features Dell's branding. Comes with build quality. Look at the big air integrant. So this laptop is clean air. There's also cover grip so that there are no scratches. And what you see here is the air exhaust. This is where the laptop vents air. This laptop is 4 inches. Its weight is only 1.58 kilograms. Quite handy. But one drawback of this is that the laptop does not open with one hand. Weight distribution is not considered. But its hinge is quite steady and smooth. You will see for yourself because it becomes 360 degrees rotatable. No brother. The hinge remained good. Its build quality is usually good because it rotates 360 degrees. If the hinge isn't good, imagine the problems you'd face with a laptop. Here brother, the top lid flex and keyboard flex are very minimal, and there's absolutely no screen wobbling since it's 360 degree hinge, quite solid. And here you will see a separate cut for the hinge. And friends, this laptop is special because it's not a laptop. We'll find it in all the good. Whether to use it or not, whether to use it or not, whether to use it or not. This is all accusations. So let's see the inner design of this laptop. The palm rest area is also given in metallic finish, but the build quality of PC Avios is a bit deeper. Let's look at the entrance pad port. And here, a special print fairing has been given for the viewing, just like the MacBook Pro 16-inch, and the bezels are barely there. I don't understand why Dell is not doing any branding on the box or on the interior of the laptop. The laptop is quite premium from the inside as well. Seems like it's the 7000 series brother. Intel IFABs sticker is given, and here you get to see a tankless backlit keyboard. Tankless means a keyboard without a numpad, because this is a 14-inch form factor and keyboard is well spaced, and key travel is also quite explosive. Apart from that, single color backlight has been given. Press the fab button for backlight control. And the size of the trackpad is also making quite a bang, because more than a 14-inch laptop had, that small trackpads are found, and it is a fully clickable trackpad, and the overall experience is quite good. All multi-gestures of Windows 11 are affordable here. A fingerprint reader is given in the power button. Response is just great here with a 14-inch, with a full HD plus the way panel it has a touch display. And there is a display, so here a glossy panel has been given 2/50ths of the peak brightness, and color thing is 45%. And if there is a thin and light laptop, then it has been given a 60 Hz refresh rate, and Dell's double view panel has been understood as a display for a glimpse of IPS. It produces vibrant full colors, and viewing angles are also quite good. So you will make notes, we'll study, we'll do coding, and especially if you are a UPSC student, you will read current affairs, etc. The overall experience will be quite good. The display is just great, buddy. The touch response of this laptop is quite unique. It's super fluid, and the overall response is just great. I'm not seeing any latency, and you will see for yourself how much better the touch response is. Especially it is quite fun to consume content on these touch laptops, and the touch response from the finger is also quite unique. And the good thing is that you can see Dell's sales for free here, and you can charge by putting in a pencil cell. 2 clicks have been given here too, right click and left click. You can customize with your own Dell with a top pen. Also see the institution's extra nips. And with this stylus I made notes, etc. It was working quite effectively. There is no latency. And I had used this stylus in the Photoshop. So the pressure sensitivity also classifies quite well. That the dwarf does the seaming of the mesh of the vaza. The vaza is in such a situation because compared to Dell Inspiron 7000, these laptops are quite premium. HP Pavilion laptop keep studying those who cheer for their wagon. 2 front-facing speakers are available. And the speaker quality is really great, particularly the bass it's producing. I quite liked it. And you can go into my Dell software. So, you get to experience different equalization modes. Listen to the voice of my promise. Amarendra Bahubali, that is I, countless citizens of Mahishmati. It is said that it goes into tab mode, and the tablet mode of it is quite useful. So now you'll be able to use this laptop in both portrait and landscape modes. And it has sensors here. As soon as we rotate it, it automatically aligns it. So let's see the ports of this laptop. 1 HDMI 1 power and 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. He has increased a lot. The data rate was straight 40 Gbps, and you will also connect the display. And you will be able to charge from either of the 2 ports. This is a lot. It's a 3.5mm headphone/microphone combo going to a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-E port. Fooled videos, 24 setup and more. Tu shak bidan greh pradhi miss creo. All the new laptops coming out are also supporting noise cancellation. So this is Dell Inspiron 743G. And you're looking quite explosive. So you should benchmark this for the Dell Inspiron 17. In Cinebench Ordinary, the single core score was 15 points and the multi-core score is 5.1. That is decent as per i3-130-5U Geekbench 5 with a single core score of 229, and we got 7142 in multi-core score. The same OpenCL score turned out to be 10778, which tells about the graphical performance. Brother 3D Mark 10 time this Pi score was also quite explosive. Tetris 1257. In PC Mark 10, the score went up to 4802. Which is closer to a score of 5000, so it's closer to benchmarking for this laptop. You will be able to do all your multitasking work like coding, editing, graphic designing, work note making. Now, if you want to use Tally and also intermediate level Android Studio, you will be able to manage, and especially those who want to do 3D modeling. I would recommend you refer to a graphics laptop. Compared to a normal laptop, I have tried video editing in this laptop with Adobe Premiere, Pro Full Edge Level Battery Smooth Edges. It was handling it with ease. Some transitions are added, cuts are added, and a 30-second file has been rendered in Full HD resolution and easily rendered in a minute. From that, you can understand you will be able to do 4K level video editing for 1 to 2. And all the graphic designing software like Illustrator, Photoshop are also used in this agile laptop. And I used paint tape in the brush tool. It was doing a blast of a job, remember? Even this was also supporting pressure sensitivity. So for this, you should test game on this Dalish Promal 743G. So the first game I played was GTA 5 in Full HD plus resolution and normal setting. Got it done comfortably. Yes, but at 45 plus resolution. And you would be seeing that even the GPU was being 98% used. In that way, you'll be able to do casual gaming in this laptop. And honestly, I didn't find any problem. And here you'll be able to see the TDP of the CPU is structured between 15 to 16 watts because it's a U-series processor, and here we are not seeing much heating. The temperature is around 58 degrees Celsius only. So you casually play GTA 5 comfortably at a good level. So I played Valorant full age resolution and normal setting comfortably over 70 plus FPS was seen in Valorant. And here you will be able to see, for this the CPU can be used quite well. On the arcade, even the thin patty was touching and you can easily play the Valorant at a good level. And even here the performance got a chance to see the Dell Inspiron 734 perfectly. Because it's a 13-core processor, bro. It optimizes quite well. And the most special thing about Dell's laptop is that it does bar for cell 50. You can easily get 6 to 7 hours of battery life on this Dell Inspiron 14. And a 65-volt Type-C adapter is given. From there, you can fully charge your laptop in 1.5 hours. You will get Sojosul Dell Inspiron 730's i3-1315 YouTube. 63,000 of today's viewers are getting, and if you take the IF variant, then you are getting 80,000 of today's viewers. So definitely you can go with this laptop if you specifically want a 2-in-1 laptop for note making. Otherwise, I would recommend going for a 2-in-1. We'll go to the laptop. That's why the ProBrush laptop is made for those who want to do notes making work. Those who want to use it in tablet mode, especially while sleeping, lying down, sitting at the table. And this laptop is for office work, for consuming content. It's better what it does on the chest. This Dell Inspiron 2-1. The laptop is quite powerful. There are no cons at all. And the pricing is a bit high because it is the Dell Inspiron 7000 series. Those who need to make notes should definitely consider it. And even with casual gaming, there is no visible problem with this. And all variants will see bezel being linked below in the description. Definite look and chat. So this was the detail of the laptop. You would have liked the video. If you liked the video, then like the video, mate. And if are not in the channel, then subscribe to the channel. So we meet with such next amazing video you would have liked.